Did you know that the AK-47 is the most produced firearm in history with over 100 million made worldwide? This legendary firearm, known as the AK-47, has left indelible imprints on the canvas of global history. It is an emblem of power and survival, recognized worldwide, from the deserts of Africa to the dense jungles of South America. But what's the tale behind its birth? The AK-47, or the Avtomat Kalashnikova, was born out of the ashes of World War II. Designed by a self-taught tinkerer turned weapons genius, Mikhail Kalashnikov. The AK-47, with its simplicity, reliability, and power, was destined to become more than just a weapon. It was destined to become a symbol. So let's delve into the heart of this icon. How did a humble soldier's design become the most recognized firearm in the world? Now that we've got a bit of background, it's time to unravel the process behind the creation of this legendary firearm. The AK-47 starts its life as nothing more than a blueprint, a design of power, efficiency, and resilience. The genius behind this design is its simplicity. It's a testament to the old saying, less is more. The fewer parts a thing has, the fewer chances there are for something to go wrong. And that's exactly what the AK-47 embodies. Its simple yet robust design is what gives it the edge over its competitors. It's built to withstand harsh conditions and keep on firing regardless. It's no wonder that this weapon has found its way into the hands of soldiers and freedom fighters across the globe. What sets the AK-47 apart are its unique features. The gas piston design, the curved magazine, the easy-to-use safety lever. Every element contributes to its reliability and ease of use. This is a weapon designed with practicality and durability in mind. With the blueprint ready, it's time to bring this weapon to life. A block of solid metal is the canvas on which the AK-47 is crafted. This isn't your run-of-the-mill artwork. This is raw power being hewn into existence, a testament to human ingenuity. The journey begins with the forging and milling of major components. Picture this: steel is heated until it's nearly molten. Then it's hammered into shape. This process is repeated again and again until the receiver, the heart of the AK-47, takes form. But we're not done yet. The barrel, bolt, and bolt carrier are next, each meticulously crafted from the same resilient metal. Every part is a cog in the AK-47's machine, vital to its operation. Now comes the heat treating process. It's all about durability here. The parts are heated to extreme temperatures, then rapidly cooled, hardening them against the rigors of use. This ensures that the AK-47 can withstand the harshest conditions, from the freezing tundra to the scorching desert. Finally, we reach the assembly process. This is where all the pieces of this intricate puzzle come together. It's a symphony of metal and might, each component sliding into place, each screw tightened just right. And just like that, a piece of metal transforms into a weapon of might. But it's not ready for action just yet. The final stage in the creation of the AK-47 is a meticulous process of testing and fine-tuning. Once the distinct components of the AK-47 have been fashioned and assembled, the firearm undergoes a rigorous examination. Each AK-47 is put through its paces to ensure that it upholds the standard of reliability that it's renowned for worldwide. It's not just about creating a firearm, it's about creating a legend, a tool of resilience that can withstand the harshest of conditions. This stage involves a series of pressure, temperature, and endurance tests. Each weapon is subject to extreme conditions to mimic real-world scenarios, ensuring that every single AK-47 that leaves the factory is battle-ready. This is a firearm that's built to perform, built to last, and most importantly, built to protect. Following the extensive testing phase, the final assembly is done. This is where the weapon is cleaned meticulously, lubricated to ensure smooth operation, and prepared for distribution. It's a process as precise as the firearm itself, an embodiment of engineering prowess and craftsmanship. Every stage of the AK-47's creation, from the initial blueprint to the final assembly, is a testament to the meticulous attention to detail, the dedication to perfection, and the relentless pursuit of creating a firearm that's not just a weapon, but a symbol of power and resilience. And there you have it, the birth of an AK-47, a process that combines engineering, craftsmanship, and a relentless pursuit of perfection.